Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the top 20 companies that meet certain criteria. In this case, market cap over 10 billion and a raw closing price over $10 per share at any given point in time. Then I'm going to show you how to get it for all points in time between January 1st, 2016 and the present, and show you how to export a spreadsheet with that information. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to type in an AND because we know we have two conditions. Then I'm going to type market cap is greater than 10B. I could just as easily type a whole bunch of zeros, but I'm not going to bother. Then I'm going to type in raw close is greater than 10, and I am done. If I run the go button, you'll notice there are 1,000 companies that match right now. If I go into the past, say to 2001, then I will end up with many fewer that match. Some of the ones that match will not be companies that any longer exist, but that's beside the point, because companies went out of business between now and then. So I'm going to go back to 2021. How about today? By clicking on the to button. And then we're going to go ahead and limit it to the top 25 in terms of performance. So I'm going to go ahead and set a maximum, here 25. And when it does that, it's going to ask me what I want to sort it by. I'm going to say the change of close, i.e. the performance over 1 day. So this is the top 5 movers in that space. So yesterday, Oracle did the best. As you might imagine, this is going to change constantly. If we are silly enough to buy just mindlessly without any further filtering, going from 2016 to present, we're going to get actually kind of good performance. But I'm going to go ahead and when I do that, I'll see all the matches for any given quarter. Notice in 2019, July 1st, 2019, that SCGen matched. However, I want every day, not every quarter. So I'm going to change this to our friendly rebalance daily, which will buy and sell stocks each and every day, and we're going to run it again. And it's going to run for a little bit longer because it has to do 63 times as much work. So we wait here patiently. This at this point becomes something you wouldn't be able to trade on directly because the commissions would eat you alive. But regardless of which, we'll have our answer, and we'll be able to export the answers of the positions table, which will include every trade that we have, creating a long spreadsheet. Here are all of our trades. Most of them went nowhere. You'll see that some went straight back down, and others went straight back up. We could sort them and play all sorts of games, but instead we're just going to go to the positions table, which is a very long table, and I'm going to realize that we wanted from January 1st of 2016. So we're going to change that to January 1st and rerun the screen. Holding it for just 1 day got somewhat worse performance, which I find kind of interesting, actually. That said, I think with a daily performance chart, the actual performance is at best representative. I don't think it's going to be implementing the daily trades would be almost impossible. So we go to the positions table and we export this as Excel. And I'm going to name it top 25 each day. And I'm going to export this sucker. And thank you very much for watching. We're just going to open it up in Excel, which I think you get to see. And we can click down here and see that there are 31,000 rows. Have fun crunching some data. Thank you for watching.